you, my boss. It is well with you, Jesus' name. Oh, happy!
A round of applause for him, please. It is not an easy thing to be awarded. It's not. It shows that you are doing excellently well, and of course you're being rewarded and encouraged for it. I'm sure my brother didn't know how to, put his emotions together. He just came off stage and then went on the floor. So, of course, it shows that he's doing well. He's doing well and he's being rewarded for it. And of course, right about now, I'll be calling on the crazy boys, as we all know them to be.
Bishop, show some love for Bishop!
Thank you. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel privileged to be here. I won't settle down a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, I just got back this morning. Please, I want to do something very briefly. If you're a Yoruba actor and you're proud of your industry, please put your hands together for yourselves, please. You guys are doing amazing. That clap is too low. If you are proud of being a Yoruba actor, a tampan, please put your hands together for yourself, please. You guys are doing very well, very well. But I have issues with you guys, please. Yoruba film, please. For the sake of God. But the man who contracts the film, oh man, hello sir. After we contract here, $70 billion. How much is the industry? No, the industry. Now the worst part is, please, Yoruba film, why is it that tebatisha, adultery, or fornication, guilty level? Have you noticed that Yoruba films, brother beg, Emma bring no sir. She tebatisha, fornication, she guilty level. So please, work on that. Ladies and gentlemen, one thing about Yoruba film I love. More. Can we calm down? Please? Can we calm down, please? Thank you. Can we please calm down? Thank you. I will do it back to back. Koye, you there, me? Let's do it back. Let me give my brother Mike. Let's do it back to back. Please, more will come down a bit. Let's do it back to back. After. I'll send it to you now. Okay.
Kàgbàdúrà tó pa wá mọ́. On Tuesday we say wẹ̀ kí o mọ́.
Okay.
How many of you remember iṣẹ́ ní ogun iṣẹ́? Iṣẹ́ la fi ń dẹni gíga. Now that is not where I'm going.
Okay.
How many of you remember olóko rapata?
Ojú ẹja ló mọ̀ jẹ.
Òní jẹ pépà.
Síléètì ló mọ̀ lò.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kí ló gbà? Now how many of you remember a day times a day? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't come out to crack jokes. I'm in a business mood. My show is coming up
on Sunday.
Yes, Sunday, 4th December. The concert. God bless you. Thank you very much.
That's all.
Yomi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have somebody special. We just walk into our midst. Somebody different. Somebody episodic, someone unique, and we will be introducing you to the set man. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have somebody in our midst. I'd like to remind you that Testimony Jaga in our midst right now. Also, we have the special voice, the P-Square of comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest, the most versatile, one of the most creative comedians all over Nigeria. They are one of my own people. My general. You see? Now,
Alright, I hope we are all having a wonderful time. Before I go further, of course, I can see some amazing people in the building.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.